What did we get? More goodies? We got a box from A-Main. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. What's going on, everybody? Walter with the RC Addiction Vlog. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started on our box from A-Main, I want to give a shout out to RC Box Club. Just got my first one in today. Super excited. Let's go through it. I chose the swag pack, I think was what I chose. But I wanted to get some goodies from these guys to support them. So shout out to RC Box Club for getting me my box. But in this month's box, I ended up with the swag t-shirt in my size from the RC Box Club. The other thing they hooked me up with, which you guys already know I'm a fan of the Cal RC stuff, but little magnetic parts tray or parts sheet, soldering tray. I don't know what that gets used for. Yeah, just magnetic mat to have on your pit table while you're at the track. Keep all your screws nice and tidy. Make sure that they're sticking to the spot and they're not rolling around on the table. That's pretty rad. That's going to definitely go in the race bag. And then the other one, which this is something we actually needed, and I don't even know how they knew this, but shout out to you, RC Box Club, because you guys knew this. But we got the 2.0 ball stud wrench from RC Box Club. That is something that I needed for my toolkit. I needed a ball stud in the 2.0. I didn't have one. So shout out to those guys. Yeah, that concludes this month's box from them. But it'd been a while, I think, which I knew. I think they said it was going to take about 45 days to get the first box from them. But it did finally show up, and I wanted to give you guys a little review of that stuff and go over that. But let's go ahead and dive into the box we got from A-Main. Let's see what we got. These are all just some parts and other things. I think I actually got some more tools in here too, because if you guys watched that last video, I didn't have, my buddy Ryan was giving me a hard time about not having the true shock pliers. So we went ahead and ordered us some ProTech shock pliers. We always usually use ProTech for some of these specialized tools. Between that and the MIP stuff, they usually got us covered. So let's see, what else did we get? Oh, that's right. Same scenario on why I ordered this was the ProTech collapsible shock stand for servicing your shocks. And then I ended up getting some new rear hexes for my short course truck from Team Associated. Mine were pretty worn out, and the one screw was stripped pretty good, so went ahead to replace those. And then, oh yeah, just a ProTech sticker sheet for those bodies. I'll definitely be using those. I always like to rep the companies that I like using. So yeah, let's see here. Let's get these out of the box or out of the bag here. Yep, as you guys know, you guys have seen these before. Just standard ProTech shock pliers for being able to hold the shock shafts. And then this is the stand. Let's see here. Let's get this out of the way so you guys can see this. But I believe kind of goes something like this, I think. Something like that. Something like that. Yep, don't even need instructions, boys. Pretty quick and easy on that one. That works pretty well. I don't know what that's for, but I'll have to look up online. But yeah, as you can see, it gives you a little tray to put your seals and your O-rings and stuff down here while your shocks are draining. You can also use this as a drainage tray at the bottom to drain all the oil in, have them all flipped upside down right here on the rack. And then the top is to be able to hold them while you're bleeding out all your fluid and stuff, I believe. So pretty rad. First one that's in the toolbox. So we're going to put that to good use. We got to do some low-C NASCAR shocks, and then we also got to do our short course truck shocks again. We went and tested that finally, and we think we need to do a little fluid change. So we're going to go ahead and do that. But that'll give us a good reason to use this thing. So we'll go ahead and get that done, and then another good reason to be able to use our shock pliers as well. So Thanks, guys, for watching. Just a quick unboxing, and wanted to give a shout out to RC Box Club and all their supporters, because man, they nailed it right on the head. RC Box Club T-shirt, gonna rep them from when you're at the track. New tools and new little parts tray or magnet tray. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.